These are the racing colors Jack Miller will use during his debut MotoGP season as a Red Bull KTM rider, alongside Brad Binder. Miller arrives alongside Binder at the Austrian manufacturer after 3 wins and 12 podiums during 2 years at the factory Ducati team. The 2023 team colors continue to blend KTM factory orange with the red and white of Red Bull. Good feelings. Joining up with the KTM family again, it is all starting to feel rather real now, Miller said. I've been thinking about this moment for quite a long time. Finally getting to see the 2023 colors, myself in the suit and all the preparation for the season ahead. It's amazing to be back here at KTM and to be catching up with everybody. It's a special little taste before we get down to action in Malaysia. It has felt like a long off season already, so I'm more than excited to get back to the track and to get started again, Binder said. My 4th year in the class, and I feel like our best chance so far to really achieve something will be in 2023. We're ready to go, so let's get to Sepang and see what those first days bring us.